Hey everyone, my envelope's a little overflowing. So, and I have another one here I need to add some stuff to it too. Oh my goodness. I'm trying to clean off this section of my desk. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to put this stuff in the book to clear it off. I am still working on the love letters book, but I don't have everything cut out yet, so that will be coming up in another video. So let's get this show on the road and get some of this stuff out of the envelope before it explodes. Let's see, where am I? Well, it's in here. I know I still have blank pages. There we go. Alright, let's see. Start with this piece over here. It's the envelope that some things came to me from Adventures with Purpose. And this is from Laura Vasquez. This is not 2021, but I found in another envelope of stuff that I needed to put in my last year's book, which is full, so it's going to go in this year's. Why does this art glitter glue just freeze up the minute you use it? That's the only thing I don't like about this stuff. I mean, I just was gluing with it. And putting the pen in and taking it out every 2 seconds is annoying. Probably could have used glue stick on that one, but this is really thick, so I'm going to put wet glue on it. Laura does the most beautiful layering of her things. This was actually the envelope that she sent me a Happy Mail in. She's just amazing with her work. Okay, let's see. This is something I won at Recreations from Brooke, and she dyes this with ink, which is pretty cool. Let's see, it's a piece of fabric, some lace, and some more lace. Let's see, what section do I want? Like a section right there. I'm going to use white glue on this as well. Tell you, this weather is killing me. It's hard to breathe. That is so cool. I mean, I'm going to actually cut up some of my wedding gowns that I have and try this. One of these days when I have time. How cool is that? I don't want to use all this lace because I want to save some up for my creative journal. It makes it really stiff too. Let's see what else is in here. This is a beautiful card from Susie Bertou. stick this on here. And put her card like so. StampItCrazy.net, unmounted rubber stamps. They're teeny. I'm going to tell you now, if y'all saw the Defy auction, Kara was showing some that she had there, and I went to the website and I ordered some, and when they came in, they were super teeny. But it's okay because I can use them for my planners. I just can't use them for my art journals, which is what I was buying them for. Okay. But I always like to put people's business cards in here. That way if I decide I want something later, I can get back. Okay, this is from Christy Biddlestone. I love her collaging. She does a great job. I want her little cat cards. Oh, sorry. Let's see. This is one of Christie's ATCs. Okay, this is a thank you card from John and Carrie. I'm going to clip this in later because I want to be able to see the back of it. Craft-A-Lac. This is from Lovely Malia. Whoa. This is from Susie. She sent me some play money, but she sent way too much, which was for the scavenger hunt book we're working on. I have not only put it in my scavenger hunt, I've also got tons of it left over. So I put Lovely Malia's card in here. And now this one is Miss Arlene. And the rest of hers is going to go in my glue book. Let's see. A couple more things over here. Green Apple Gifts. Amanda Janish is artist. Earth-friendly handmade gift items and vintage items. So I'll put that one in here. Okay, I got a card from B-Mom's Crafty Corner with my order. It says, "Thank you for shopping at my live sale. Please accept this sample as a thank you, available in 2 colors and sets of 20. I didn't get. I don't know what it was because I don't know. I don't know what it was. Unless this was it. B-Mom, was this yours? Looks like your bag. Yeah, because it's 2 colors in here. I'm thinking this is it, so I'm going to add this here. Alright. I'm not going to use the washi yet. So, that was simple, huh? Didn't take long at all. As long as I thought it would. I want to clip this in before I lose it. Oh my goodness! Okay, thank you for watching. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.